I'm here today with Mike Randolph, lead instructor of FDI's Equity Trax system. Mike, it's nice to have you here today.
Good to be here, Bill.
Okay, Mike, just what is Equity Trax? What is the main goal of the Equity Trax system for the FDI members?
Bill, that is a great question because there are some misconceptions about the program. Most people think that Equity Trax is just about debt. And while it is about debt, that's really only part of it. As the name implies, it's really about building equity. We just use debt as the raw material to fuel the process. Anyone who already has their FDI Equity Trax plan in place knows that we focus on two things: your debt-free date and your cash millionaire date. And to be honest, that millionaire date is really what Equity Trax is all about, showing people how to convert their largest financial liabilities into one of their largest financial assets. Who in the world wouldn't want to be a debt-free cash millionaire?
Mike, I believe that everyone would want to be a debt-free cash millionaire. My next question to you is this program like a credit counseling service or a debt consolidation loan that we hear so much about on radio and TV?
No, Equity Trax is nothing like those programs. First of all FDI members qualify to use this powerful system. Unlike credit counseling, mortgage refinance, or other consolidation programs, you don't have to get deeper into debt or give up control of your finances. Our system will work with any creditors, large or small, public or private, all without renegotiating, compromising, or risking your good name.
That's also very good, but what makes Equity Trax different than the get-out-of-debt systems available in the bookstores and through seminars?
There are plenty of books, tapes, and seminars that offer sound advice. However, none of these programs offer a simple, step-by-step plan of action. The truth is, the book, tape, and seminar salespeople are not in the business of helping you eliminate debt. They're in the business of selling you books, tapes, and seminars. Of course, we feel that Equity Trax is the best debt elimination plan in existence today, but not because we know any secret formulas or can bend the rules of money. We use proven and time-honored principles that have been around as long as people have been lending and borrowing. The real difference between our system and all the others is that we put action to the plan and follow up every month to ensure success.
And I feel that's important, Mike, to hold people's hand as they become debt-free. Don't just tell them to read a book or go to a seminar and good luck. Hold people's hand and make sure that they achieve the success that they're looking for. My next question is, what are the typical results for a member who takes advantage of the Equity Trax system?
Typically, Equity Trax will enable the member to save up to 50% or more on the cost of their mortgage and any other debts they have without sacrificing their lifestyle in the process. In fact, their lifestyle will improve as debts are systematically eliminated in 1/2 to as little as 1/3 of the time that they've already committed themselves to pay.
That sounds almost too good to be true. How does it really work?
We use the same principles as time and compound interest that our creditors use to keep us in debt. We just turn the tables and use these principles to eliminate debt. Our system will turn a pile of debt into a line of dominoes, and like a line of dominoes, once we start the process, they will fall one by one until they are all gone, getting faster and more powerful as they go. The snowball will chase the creditors down the hill for a change. And it's simple. All you have to do is follow the instructions on your monthly Equity Trax autopilot statement.
That sounds great. What does a program like this cost to use?
Well, as you know, we've been offering this program for going on 10 years, and our clients typically share their interest savings by paying a prorated program fee of between $1,000 and $10,000 just to use this powerful system. However, in typical FDI fashion, you've completely removed all the gotchas from this program, as the Equity Trax system is a part of FDI's powerful preferred and first-class memberships. I think you will agree this may well be the biggest no-brainer in the financial services industry today.
Mike, I definitely agree that is the largest no-brainer in the financial services industry today. Now, Mike, if you could leave our viewers with one thought about this awesome Equity Trax system, what would that be?
Think about it. What would your life be like today with the same job that you don't like, with the same income that's never enough, but with absolutely no debt? No mortgage payment because you own your home. No car payments because you own your cars. No credit card payments because you don't really need them. No student loans, no medical bills, no debt of any kind. What would your life be like today? What would your attitude be like on Monday morning if you were totally debt-free and on your way to becoming a cash millionaire with just the money you're used to sending your creditors every month? Don't people owe it to themselves and their families to fill out their own Equity Trax Fact Finder so that they could know the exact day, month, and year that they, too, could be a totally debt-free cash millionaire?
Mike, it's the largest no-brainer we have. Everyone should fill out their fact finder. That's why I'm so excited about Equity Trax and giving our members a simple, step-by-step blueprint to wealth. Our members now know the exact day, month, and year that they could be a debt-free cash millionaire just by plugging into this system. So again, Mike, I want to thank you so much for being here and sharing this much-needed information. Thanks a lot, Mike.
Thank you, Bill.